na nditi kuwetekana nzikayo isu sia kwenda lama kunikie maumiw'e ni kwisa usia matunda. Tuisonga na mbeni kana Mwenekivila wa nzama ya maundu ma utandithya iwanda na ngwatanio mbungeni nene ulane muyumbe wa Embakasi North James Gakuya niwatongoesya nzama isu kuthuima vala Sukali uwetawa tawai Muthuku na waumaalukilwe utee na miao na kuthuooew'a enenthi wiitwe kisukioni cha meli cha Mombasa. Macontainer miongo nyanya kenda ma Sukali Walikile vanthi ya Kenya mwaini wa thanthatu mwakani wa 2018 vala Macontainer miongo ena ma Sukali usu maumiw'e kilindini na kuwetekana masokoni kuthukan'yo na muno kisioni cha Thika kauntini ya Kiambu kwi mwaini wa thanthatu mwakani uu. Angelina Muse ena livoti.
James Gakuya na ula ni Mwenekivila wa komiti inu kuwetekana Macontainer miongo ina na ala maumisyo nthini wa poti ya Mombasa matwetu thikanika na mavikie kwa nangwa itino wa kumanyika kana Sukali usuwe Muthuku maisio kwa talivoti kana wi masokoni uwetawa enenthi uvathukanu na miao.
And this particular case, there were 40 containers of 20 feet that were condemned, and a decision was arrived that sugar is going to be converted to ethanol. And a destination was looked, and the destination was Thika, and after that sugar finding its way to Thika, it disappeared and it went back to public.
Komiti eye mwamba na muvea kulunga mawithi ululuko wa neema, muvea kulunga wailu wa Sindu Kebs na muvea Kenya Ports Authority ni avikandini wa poti ya Mombasa kuthuima Macontainer miongo ina na kenda na alama atiali titi na wa asu miongo ina vala manengane kilungu cha wiki ile livoti na mavalua mama Macontainer kuvikwa mbewo matanamba kosa itambea kuwananga.
The committee, when they were doing their normal investigation, they realized that there are other number of containers which are just about to be destroyed sitting here in Mombasa. And we did make a request that the destruction process should stop until when this committee comes, inspect, verify, and confirm that these containers are really here and they contains that sugar already condemned.
Sukali unu wa wetokwithwa umite nthi inya kivathukan'yo na ila ni vamwe na Switzerland, Mauritius, Brazil na Zimbabwe vala katua Macontainer asu miongo ina na kenda imo ya wetokwithwa ye ya musele kuma nthi ya China vala si avikie nthini wa poti ya Mombasa mwaini wa thanthatu mwaka wa 2018 Macontainer vakuvi miongo ili kati wa asu miongo ina na kenda mawetokwithwa malikite vanthi ya Kenya mwaka wa 2004.
Amongst the number of containers that are here, the 49 number, there is a set of them, which is about 20 number of containers, which has been lying here for the last 19 years, which landed here in 2004. And the laws are very clear, and the regulations are very clear, that once the commodity is being condemned, it should only find 30 days to be within these premises. And having lasted for 19 good years, then our investigation is to know who was sleeping on his job and why this has taken too long. There are matters that we can be able to consider if there is any active cases in court. But unless there is such a kind of route, then any other laxity that we have arrived, one who slept his job must also face the consequences.
Munini wa Mwenekivila wa komiti ina ula ni muyumbe wa Aldai Marian Kitani ni wawetekana ni makuvikia kuikia ukune kilinika na kuthuima ala maumaalukilwe Sukali na kutea enenthi kana mavikie kuose wa matambi ala mailite maki miao.
The reason we are doing this is because we care about the health and safety of the Kenyan mwananchi. Because if sugar has been condemned for whatever reasons, then we need to ensure that that condemnation process has gone through to its final conclusion so that that sugar again doesn't get back to the table of a common mwananchi and give them health hazards. We know today that there are many health issues like cancer and many other such diseases. And we actually as a government, as an entity, need to be responsible for our own citizens.
Ingini wawetekana ni makuikia malenyo mwanya kuikithia kana sieko sia muthemba usi na asiokwa ingi vanthi ya Kenya ni kana kuetana enenthi kutumia sindu ila sitailite ni kana kusuvia uima wo wa mwi.
So as Parliament, our role is oversight to ensure that what the agencies within government are supposed to do actually carry out their works. So we are here today to confirm that actually the sugar they are talking about is here and it's ready for destruction. And we will also come back at the time when the actual destruction is happening to ensure that the same very containers that we'll have inspected today will actually be in for destruction on that day.
Ngilivoti ya vilingi wa mauvo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa, nitawa Angelina Mose.